Hello kids! Today Sis on Chico will read a book entitled The Colorful Classroom Carnival. In the bustling town of Rainbowville, there was a school unlike any other, the Colorful Classroom Carnival. Every day was a celebration of learning, filled with vibrant colors, laughter, and a sense of wonder. The school's walls were painted in cheerful hues, and each classroom was a carnival ride of knowledge and excitement. The students, a lively mix of animals and children, eagerly attended classes like the roller coaster of reading, the Ferris wheel of math, and the carousel of creativity. Mrs. Rainbow, the wise and cheerful teacher, led the way, making sure every student felt included and appreciated for their unique talents. One day, the Colorful Classroom Carnival faced a challenge when the paintbrush pixies accidentally mixed up all the colors. With teamwork and creativity, the students and teachers worked together to restore the colors, turning the mishap into a valuable lesson about problem-solving and collaboration. The Colorful Classroom Carnival is a delightful story that showcases the importance of diversity, creativity, and the joy of learning in a colorful and whimsical setting, reminding children that school is not just a place to study, but a place to discover and celebrate the beauty of each other's differences.